Hi, my friends. How are you doing? I just wanted to do a quick check-in, let you know that I'm still around. I took a little break from making video tutorials here on YouTube. I have been working on my online classes at paintpouracademy.com. That's my cat, Doja. She's not happy I locked her out, so she's gonna make herself known all through my little check-in. But I've been working on my classes at paintpouracademy.com. My goal is to have one, like almost master class a month. And this last month in August, I posted an online class all about resin bubbles. And I just put everything in it that I could think of. How resin bubbles form, how to avoid them, tips on different resins. It's huge. There's so much information in it. And it does take a little while to get that together on the website, format it, and then get it posted and available. And it's part of my monthly membership program for $15 a month. It's an all-access pass to all of my courses, all of my acrylic paint pouring classes, resin art classes, everything on my site. And go check it out, paintpouracademy.com. And this next month, for September, I am working on, it's another big resin class. It's just things about resin that no one's told you about. And I've just, in my Facebook groups, I keep seeing people post the same questions, the same problems, the same things. And, it's surprising to me how many people don't know what a pipette is. And they're working with resin and they don't know. So this course is all about the things no one told you about resin that you should know. And that will be out hopefully next week. Crossing my fingers. I am using all my spare time and craft time to get this class finished for you guys. So that's why I haven't made any YouTube videos lately, and I do apologize. And I miss my YouTube videos. I miss talking to you guys and showing you guys all sorts of fun stuff. But you know what? I really got to get these courses done, and then I'm going to do some super fun mini courses all in there too. And once you're a member of my all access membership, you get access as long as you have that membership. But we got monthly Zoom meetings right now. I've been thinking about doing weekly, but I just don't have it in me right now. It's got to be just monthly. And that's where the members, we get together on a Zoom chat and then we chat. We paint and chat, craft and chat, resin and chat. We just do whatever that topic is of the month. And it's a lot of fun. It is so much fun. So go check it out. There's special downloads just for my members, little cheat sheets, printables, workbooks, things that'll help you along your way, because I want you to enjoy this art as much as I am enjoying this art, because it is just so much fun. It's relaxing. The things you can create. Christmas is coming. Holidays are coming. Handmade gifts are it. Families love handmade gifts. So I just wanted to put that out there. Let you know I'm still here. I'll get back to my YouTube videos real quick. I'll keep posting updates, because after I do this big class for September, my next one is going to be cleaning up this mess. And I don't know if you can see, it's over there too. So I should have shown you that, but you know what? Hey, what the hey. So if you have anything you want to learn about, let me know. Post a comment below. Go say hi to me, paintpouracademy.com. I'm on Facebook and Instagram. And, send me a message. Let's chat. So I hope you're all doing very well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.